Hi viewers, just doing a quick video on for anyone that's having trouble getting this flush valve assembly removed. So at the moment I've got this rotated to where the lugs are aligned. So this is a view from the top, that's about the angle, and so that's the lug down there. If I tilt this over, you'll see that there. So that's another tip that you can do, is just rotate this around so that's in its normal position. So if you put pressure that way, there's no movement. Turn it around. As soon as you can push pressure that way, so there's a lug. So basically you're pushing like slight pressure, and if it comes out, you know it's in the right spot. So yeah, you only have to move it a few millimeters and it won't move. So if you're having trouble, just try that. Here I've got this little mark, a texture mark on here. So up under this blue piece which normally sits down there. So just in future, if you have trouble removing it, you can use that to locate it. So just a couple of other things too. In my original video I said that this was a watermark assembly, but I've since found out that watermark is just like the Australian standard, so it's not actually a brand, so not actually sure what brand it is. Just another little tip that you can do, I've got the seating washer, the part number, so next time in future if I need to order one, so the seating washer is located down the bottom there. Actually it's at the bottom of this assembly, which you can see in my other video.